Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add any game on your Kodi device. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So right now we are on the Kodi launcher, as you can see right here. And so from here on the left side we have all the options to add necessary, and one of them is indeed our game section. So from here you're going to click on add games, and very simply now you're going to start looking for your game. Now you can enter a name of this media source, so you can maybe write Crunker, which is the name of the game that I'm looking for, and then click OK, and it's going to look for it. Now you're going to click on Browse, so you can look for the file itself. So for me, for example, I remember where I downloaded my game. You're going to see, and then from here, you're going to go to Users, and then you're going to go to the desktop where I install most of my things. And so from here, it's in a folder where I call it for Steam. For most of my games, since they are on Steam, you're going to be in a file that is called Steam Apps. And so they're going to be in the common. And whatever game that you would like. So as you can see, I have Team Fortress, Splitgate, any game. So if I want to add something like Crunker, then you're going to, from here, going to click on OK. And as you can see, now it's written. Click on OK right here. And there's the game. Once we click on it, we can now play it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.